Imagine being the CEO of a tech giant, standing on stage and having your brand new smart glasses fail not once, but twice in front of a live audience. This is exactly what happened to Mark Zuckerberg during Meta's Connect 2025 keynote, where he was showcasing the company's latest smart glasses. But here's where it gets interesting. The failures weren't just minor glitches. They were major demo failures that left many wondering if the product was ready for launch. Now, Meta's Chief Technology Officer, Andrew Bosworth, has come forward to explain what went wrong, and his revelations are quite surprising. In an AMA on Instagram, Bosworth revealed that the first glitch, which occurred during a live demo with a cooking content creator, was not a product failure, but rather a demo failure. The chef had asked the Meta glasses AI for instructions on how to make a Korean-inspired steak sauce, but instead of providing detailed instructions, the AI skipped ahead and continued glitching. The chef jokingly suggested that the Wi-Fi might be the culprit, but Bosworth had a different explanation. Apparently, when the chef activated the live AI feature, it inadvertently triggered every single Meta Ray-Ban's live AI in the building, causing a massive overload. And this is the part most people miss. The company had routed the live AI traffic to a dev server to isolate it. But this ended up routing all the live AI traffic from the glasses in the building to the same server, effectively causing a self-inflicted DDoS attack. As Bosworth put it, we DDoS'd ourselves, basically. What's even more surprising is that this issue didn't arise during rehearsals, simply because there weren't as many people wearing the glasses at the time. But here's the question. Should Meta have anticipated this issue and taken steps to prevent it? Zuckerberg also encountered another issue when trying to demonstrate taking WhatsApp video calls on the Meta Ray-Ban display. The audience could see him receiving calls on the glasses HUD, but he couldn't answer them to start the call. Bosworth attributed this to a never-before-seen bug that put the display to sleep at the exact moment the notifications came in. And even after Zuckerberg woke up the display, there was no option to answer the call. The CTO admitted that this was a missed opportunity to showcase the feature's functionality on stage. But what's striking is that Meta had never encountered this bug before the demo, and it has since been fixed. As Bosworth said, "You guys know we can do video calling. We've got WhatsApp. We know how to do video calling." But the fact remains that the demo failed to deliver. And this raises a crucial question. How can companies like Meta ensure that their products are thoroughly tested and glitch-free before launch? Should they be doing more to anticipate and prevent such demo failures? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think Meta did enough to test their smart glasses before launch? Or were they too hasty in showcasing their product? Let us know in the comments.